he sits there broken, an eldered man with storm clouds setting in his eyes.